Good day, everybody. Um, Thank you for swinging by my channel. My name is Ron, and this is Beer God Workshop, where I just try my hand at doing certain things that pop into my mind, or I may have a case-specific thing that I want to try, and I try it out, and I post it here on my channel. In today's video, I will be attempting, trying to make an A-frame sign. One of those signs is like this. You see them everywhere. Businesses, things of that nature. People use them to put up messages or um, the name of their businesses or what have you. So I'm going to be trying to do that. Some materials I have lying around, some I had to buy, but that's pretty much it. This should be a straight to the point, um, you know, basic type of thing. Um, Full transparency, this is my second time second time doing it. This is for some friends. I made the first one and it came out good. I wish I had images or whatever, but I don't. But it came out good. But there's certain things that I didn't do for the first one that I did for the second one. So this is like the 2.0, improved version, so to speak. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. right, that was that was an improvement from the first one. In the first one, I put some inlays in it, but it was mainly to um, reinforce cracks that were in the wood. So it kind of gave it that aesthetic, but it was mainly for that. And this one, you saw me add you know inlays and things, more inlays, more things. It was more to give it a certain type of profile to make it look, make it kind of stand out, pop out. Um, on the back part, I put a piece of wood because my friends, they want to be able to put their phones or books or tablets. So when it's at that angle, you can put those things and you know um, things of that nature on it. Trying to see what else. Oh, off camera, I used the Beer Guy butter, the oil, that I made a previous video some time ago. I put that on it after you saw me oil it, but I did that off camera with the Beer Guy butter. Um, since this is going to be on the elements, I just want to give the wood that extra layer of protection, just in case a few raindrops or anything like that happens, where it can just bead off. It has that protection, and also because you want to oil up as best as you can because you don't want cracks and stuff like that down the road. Yeah, that was it. Just two pieces of wood, some hinges. Um, in the video you saw me, I didn't use screws directly in the pine because pine is soft and it may come loose, it may split, so anywhere where you saw me use screws, I use oak. So yeah, that was pretty much it. All right. This was pretty much a fast and furious video. Fast and furious project. It was straight to it. Yeah, that was pretty much it. And the first one is getting use, and I'm sure the second one is going to get a lot of use. So thumbs up to that. All right. Guess I'll see you in the next project, whenever that may be. So keep your head on a swivel. Be careful out there. And until next time, peace.
Trying to stay alive, I'm eating minerals and vitamins. I tell the times with tales of principles when I begin. It's not very nice, and hell, I've seen it all in vitamin. And only time can tell the nights prevail, we slice it thin. I've been a fool and witnessed in the walls of sinking.